Hello students, good morning. Today we will solve comprehensive problem. Means we have to prepare all the subsidiary books, ledger, and we have to prepare the trial balance also. Okay, this is very interesting. Now you can see the method of accounting one by one. See this problem. March 1st. या प्रॉब्लेममध्ये सगळ्या प्रकारच्या एंट्रीज असणार आहेत. त्यामुळे ज्या एंट्रीज ज्या बुकमध्ये एंटर करायच्या आहेत त्या बुकमध्ये आपण एंटर करणार आहोत. त्यानंतर लेजर प्रिपेअर करणार आहोत आणि त्याच्यावरून ट्रायल बॅलन्स प्रिपेअर करणार आहोत. सोल प्रोप्रायटरशिपमध्ये प्रोप्रायटर कसे अकाउंट्स ठेवतो आणि त्याचं शेवटपर्यंत ट्रायल बॅलन्स आणि ट्रायल बॅलन्सवरून नंतर फायनल अकाउंट्स असं कसं पोचतो ते आपल्याला या प्रॉब्लेममध्ये बघायला मिळेल. ओके, सो सी दिस प्रॉब्लेम. मार्च 1st, ओपनिंग बॅलन्सेस. Cash rupees 30,000, bank overdraft rupees 12,000, capital rupees 18,000. Here for this we have to pass the opening entry. We have discussed opening entries in last video. We have to debit asset account, credit liability account and credit capital account. So entry will be cash account will be debited, cash account debit, bank overdraft to bank overdraft account to capital account, and this entry will be passed in journal proper. ओके, तुम्ही पेन्सिलनी आपण या एंट्रीचं पोस्टिंग कोणत्या बुकमध्ये करणार आहोत ते समोर शॉर्ट फॉर्ममध्ये लिहून ठेवू शकता. March 2nd, purchase goods on credit from Shalini Enterprises rupees 16,000. This is entry of credit purchases, so it will be entered in purchase book. March 5th, cash sales rupees 40,000. It will be recorded in cash book. March 8th, deposited cash into bank rupees 13,500, cash book. 8th March, paid to Shalini Enterprises a check of rupees 15,700 in full and final settlement of account. It will be recorded in cash book. 10th March, purchase computer from Mahesh Computers worth rupees 35,000. This is the entry of credit purchase of computer, that is credit purchase of asset. So it will be recorded in journal proper. 11th March, purchase goods from Khurana Brothers for rupees 7,800 on credit. So it is credit purchases and it is recorded in purchase book. 12th March, sold goods to Sahil and Company worth rupees 13,200 and received a check of rupees 10,000 only, which was deposited into bank. Means this is the entry of sale and it includes cash sale as well as credit sale. From 13,200, Sahil and Company paid us a check of rupees 10,000 which was deposited into bank. So the entry of cash sale will be worth rupees 10,000 and remaining entry will be of credit sale, that is 13,200. So the entry of cash sale of rupees 10,000, because 10,000 rupees received from them in by check. So this entry will be recorded in cash book, and remaining entry of rupees 3,200 is of credit sale. So it will be recorded in sales book. Okay. Now 14th March. Paid salary by check rupees 4,500. It is to be recorded in cash book. 15th March. Paid for repairs and renovations of showroom rupees 7,800 in cash book. 16th March. Sold goods to Raj worth rupees 5,600. This is credit sale, so recorded in sales book. 18th March. Paid cartage rupees 1,000, cash book. 18th March, again received goods back from Sahil and Company worth rupees 2,000. Where received goods from Sahil and Company back means it is sales return. So sales return book. Okay. 20th March, received bank draft from Raj for rupees 5,500 in full settlement, cash book. 22nd March, paid electricity charges rupees 9,600 in cash book. 25th March, withdrawn from bank rupees 7,000 for office use and 2000 for personal use. This entry will be recorded in cash book. 26th March, cash sales rupees 12,000, cash book. 27th March, return goods worth rupees 1,000 to Khurana Brothers. This is purchase return, so purchase return book. Okay. 29th March, paid rent by check rupees 2,500, cash book. 30th March, withdrawn from business rupees 1750 for personal use, cash book. And last entry on 31st March, depreciation charged on computer at 5% per annum. This entry will be passed in journal proper. Okay, so let's start now. We have to prepare cash book, that is double column cash book, purchase book, sales book, purchase return book, sales return book, journal proper. Then from all these books we will prepare various ledger accounts and post all these entries into ledger, and then from the balances of ledger account we will prepare trial balance. Okay, so in this way, this is the problem. See the problem again. You have to write this problem in your notebook so that you can see every transaction and record them into respective subsidiary book. Okay, so let's start now. So now we will start and prepare all subsidiary books. In the books of Surender Brothers, double column cash book, then purchase book, sales return book, purchase return book. Then here is the journal proper. Then all these ledger accounts I have prepared here. Okay, and after completing these ledger we will prepare trial balance. Okay, so let's start now. One by one we will pass the entries in respective subsidiary books. Entry of March 1st, we have to pass this entry in journal proper. So in journal proper we'll pass this entry of March 1st. March 1st, cash is asset, bank overdraft is liability, so cash account debit. To bank overdraft account, to capital account. This will be the entry. Cash account debit 30,000. To bank overdraft account 12,000. To capital account 18,000. Okay, in this way we have to pass this opening entry. Narration: being opening balances brought forward from previous year's books. Previous year's closing balances will be opening this year's opening balances, obviously. Okay, so we have passed this entry in journal proper. Now next entry, 2nd March, purchase goods on credit from Shalini Enterprises rupees 16,000. So entry will be in purchase book on March 2nd. Shalini Enterprises invoice number is not given and amount is directly given 16,000, so we will write that directly in amount column. No calculation is there in this entry. Okay, 16,000. So we have entered entry of 2nd March on in purchase book because it is entry of credit purchase. Now 5th March, cash sales rupees 40,000. Cash sales rupees 40,000. Before that, we have to write opening balance of cash which is given on March 1st here, 2017 March 1st. March 1st, two balance brought down. Cash balance is given in the first entry 30,000, dash in bank balance here. Now bank overdraft is given. So on March 1st, buy balance brought down. तुम्हाला आठवत असेल आपण कॅशबुक शिकलो होतो त्यावेळेला ओव्हरड्राफ्ट बॅलन्स हा आपण विरुद्ध साईडला लिहितो असं आपण शिकलेलो होतो 12,000. ओके, इन दिस वे आपण बॅलन्सेस लिहून घेतलेले आहेत. कॅपिटल बॅलन्स 18,000 आहे, तो कॅपिटल अकाउंटचा बॅलन्स आहे. आपण लेजर अकाउंट्स तयार करताना पहिल्यांदा तो बॅलन्स लिहू आणि नंतर बाकीचे अकाउंट्स करू. ओके, सो नाव द एंट्री ऑफ 5th March, कॅश सेल्स रुपीज 40,000. ओके, so entry will be on receipt side, to sales account, in cash column 40,000 and dash in bank column. Now next entry, March 8th, deposited cash into bank rupees 13,500. Deposited cash into bank. So from the available cash they are depositing 13,500 into bank. So first we have to remove cash from cash box and then we will deposit it into bank. So it is a contra entry. So March 8th, first we have to remove 13,500 from cash box. So by bank account, contra entry, we will remove from cash box 13,500 and then we will deposit that amount into bank. So to cash account, contra entry, and in bank column 13,500. Okay, this is a contra entry. Now again on 8th March, paid to Shalini Enterprises a check of rupees 15,700 in full settlement and full and final settlement of account. It means Shalini Enterprises allowed us 300 rupees discount because we have sold goods on 2nd March worth rupees 16,000 and now we are paying by check rupees 15,700 in full and final settlement of account. Okay, so I will pass the entry here. First, by Shalini Enterprises account. By Shalini Enterprises account, amount is 15,700. We are paying them 15,700 rupees. Okay, so discount received by us, that is allowed by them and received by us, is rupees 300. Understood? So now we have to pass the journal entry in journal proper about discount received rupees 300. Discount received rupees 300. We will pass entry here and date is 8th March. Okay, so discount received account entry will be Shalini Enterprises account debit to discount received account 300. Being discount received. This much narration is sufficient. Shalini Enterprises account is debited because debit the receiver. Discount account is credited because it is our profit, income or gain. Understood? Now entry of 10th March. Purchased computer from Mahesh Computers worth rupees 35,000. So again we have to pass this entry in journal proper. So in journal proper on 10th March we'll pass the entry purchased computer from Mahesh Computers. So entry will be computer account debit to Mahesh Computers account. So on 10th March computer account debit 35,000 to Mahesh Computers account. $35,000 purchased computer on credit. On credit. Okay, this is the entry. Now next entry 11th March. Purchase goods from Khurana Brothers for rupees 7,800 on credit. This entry will be in purchase book. So on 11th March Khurana Brothers amount is 7,800. Again there is no discount or nothing. Details of purchase are not given. So amount directly outer column मध्ये लिहायची आपल्याला 7,800. Okay, next entry now entry of 12th March. Sold goods to Sahil and Company as worth rupees 13,200 and received a check of rupees 10,000 which was deposited into bank. So we will enter the entry of 3,200 in sales book first on 12th March. March 12th, Sahil and Company. Amount is 3,200 because out of the total amount they have paid us rupees 10,000 by check. So remaining amount is of credit sale. Okay, this is the entry of credit sale. Now we have received check of rupees 10,000 which was deposited immediately into bank. So we will enter it on receipt side on 12th to sales account. Okay, and amount in bank column directly because check was deposited into bank. Okay, next 14 paid salary by check rupees 4,500. Again on payment side by salary in bank column 4,500, in cash column dash. 15 paid for repairs and renovations of showroom rupees 7,800 in cash. So on 15th by repairs and renovations amount is 7,800 in cash and dash in bank. Okay, now March 16 sold goods to Raj worth rupees 5,600. This entry is of credit sale, so we will enter it in sales book on March 16th. Raj, only name given, 5,600 directly in amount column. Okay, now next entry 18th March paid cartage rupees 1,000. So in cash book payment side on 18th March by cartage account and amount rupees 1,000 in cash column dash in bank column. Now received goods back from Sahil and Company worth rupees 2000. So this is sales return. This is sales return book on 18th March. Sahil and Company, amount is 2000. Okay. Now 20th March, received bank draft from Raj for rupees 5500 in full settlement. So on 20th March, on receipt side, to Raj account 5500 in bank column because we have received bank draft. Okay. Now 22nd, paid electricity charges rupees 9600 in cash. So payment side, by electricity charges account, you can say electricity expenses account also, amount is 9600 in cash. So in cash column 9600, in bank column dash. 25th March, withdrawn from bank rupees 7000 for office use and rupees 2000 for personal use. Now see the entry of amount withdrawn from bank, so it will be entered on payment side. There are two entries involved. One entry is of drawings and one entry is of withdrawing cash for office use. Withdrawing cash rupees 7000 for office use will be a contra entry. So first we will withdraw rupees 7000 from bank and then we will bring it in cash box for office use. Okay, this is the concept. So by cash account, contra entry, first we will withdraw rupees 7000 from bank account and then we will bring it here in cash box, contra entry in cash column 7000. बँकेतून पैसे काढलेले आहेत म्हणून बाहेर गेलेत बँक कॉलममधनं असं दाखवलं आहे आणि कॅश बॉक्समध्ये पैसे आलेले आहेत म्हणून रिसीट साईडला 7000 दाखवलं आहे. त्यालाच जोडून जी दुसरी एंट्री आहे रुपीज 2000 फॉर पर्सनल यूज. 2000 ओनरनी पर्सनल यूजसाठी काढलेले आहेत, त्यामुळे दिस इज द एंट्री ऑफ ड्रॉइंग्स. आणि ही कॉन्ट्रा एंट्री नाही आहे कारण हे पैसे काढून ओनरनी घरी नेलेले आहेत. 2000 रुपीज बँकेमधनं काढून ओनरने आपल्या घरी नेलेत फॉर पर्सनल यूज. ओके. नाव नेक्स्ट एंट्री 26th March, cash sales rupees 12,000. Entry will be on receipt side to sales account. It is cash sale worth rupees 12,000, cash amount in cash column, dash in bank column. Now 27th March, returned goods worth rupees 1,000 to Khurana Brothers. This is the entry of purchase return. Okay, so here 2017 March 27th, Khurana Brothers amount is 1000, no other details are given. Okay, now see the entry, next entry of 29th, paid rent by check, again in cash book. On 29th, by rent account, amount is paid by check, so amount will be in bank column 2500. Okay, now next entry, on 30th March, withdrawn from business rupees 1750, 1750 for personal use, again entry of drawings. By drawings account, in cash column 1750, dash in bank column. Okay, now next entry 31st, entry of 31st March, depreciation charged on computer at 5% per annum. So this entry will be entered in journal proper. So here on 31st March 31st, depreciation charged on computer. So depreciation account debit to computer account. Depreciation charged on computers. Depreciation charged. This much is sufficient. And now the amount. See, first we have to check the amount of computer, that is cost of computer. Cost of computer was rupees 35,000. Okay, 35,000 and depreciation charged at 5% per annum. Okay, so 5% of 35,000, 10% will be 3,500 and half of 3,500 will be the depreciation, that is 1750. Okay, so here amount will be 1750. Even though the computer is purchased in this month only, they have considered 6 full years depreciation for this computer. Okay, because it was purchased before 31st March. So this is the last entry of this problem. We have entered the entries in cash book, purchase, that is subsidiary books, and journal proper. Now first we have to tally every book. So first we will tally cash book. First we will tally cash column. 89,000 it is. From this amount we will deduct total of credit side cash column, and the difference is 55,350. Check it again. मी कॅल्क्युलेट केलेला आहे. सो ऑन 31st March बाय बॅलन्स carried down 55,350. Okay, now bank column. Here there will be bank overdraft obviously, so these amounts are more. This total is 43,700. After deducting debit total 29,000, the balance is 14,700. So on 31st March 2 balance carried down and buy balance brought down. Okay, now carried down, buy balance carried down, विरुद्ध साईडला ब्रॉट डाऊन होईल. सो एप्रिल 1st 2 balance brought down, amount is 55,350. This is cash balance for next year. And now second posting of this, that is on April 1st, buy balance brought down in bank column 14,700. It shows that there is cash balance of 55,350 on April 1st and there is bank overdraft of 14,700. Okay, now we will tally all the books. First, purchase book, it is 23,800 on March 31st. Purchases account will be debited. I have explained already meaning of this. Now total, so it is 8,800. March 31st, sales account will be credited. Okay, now sales return book 2,000. So on March 31st, sales return account will be debited, and last 1000 on 31st March, purchase return account will be credited by this amount. Okay, in this way we have tallied double column cash book as well as all the subsidiary books. Now we will prepare ledger accounts. Okay, see here, from all these all these transactions, that is from cash book, subsidiary books and जनरल प्रॉपर, मी लेजर अकाउंट्स प्रिपेअर केलेले आहेत. सगळे लेजर अकाउंट्स तुम्ही मोजणं एक्सपेक्टेड आहे. सी हियर, दिस इज कॅपिटल अकाउंट, देन परचेसेस अकाउंट, देन परचेसेस अकाउंटमधल्या ज्या पार्टीज आहेत त्यांचे अकाउंट मी ओपन केलेत बघा. शालिनी एंटरप्राइजेस अँड खुराना ब्रदर्स अकाउंट, त्यानंतर सेल्स अकाउंट अँड पार्टीज ऑफ सेल्स, साहिल अँड कंपनीज अकाउंट, राज अकाउंट, परचेस रिटर्न अकाउंट अँड सेल्स रिटर्न अकाउंट. Then I have prepared ledger accounts from these transactions: salary account, repairs and renovations account, cartage account, electricity charges account, cartage account, electricity charges account, then drawings account, rent account, drawings account and rent account. Okay, then I have prepared from journal proper, see here, computer account, then Mahesh computers account, then depreciation account, then discount received account and discount allowed account. Okay, in this way I have prepared various ledger accounts, and now we will post all the transactions from the subsidiary books into ledger. So let's start. Okay, now we will do the posting into ledger. So these are our ledger accounts. Now let's start posting. We will post according to dates. Okay, so on 1st March balances are given. कॅश अकाउंट आणि बँक अकाउंट आपण ओपन केलेलं नाही आहे, त्यांचे बॅलन्सेस कॅशबुकमध्ये लिहिलेले आहेत ऑलरेडी. अँड वी नो दॅट कॅशबुक मीन्स कॅश अकाउंट अँड बँक अकाउंट ऑल्सो. सो नाव कॅपिटल इज गिवन ₹18,000. सो विल पोस्ट कॅपिटल अकाउंट बॅलन्स इन कॅपिटल अकाउंट हियर. ओके, सो ऑन 1st April 2017, by balance brought down, it is 18,000 rupees, 18,000. Okay, now entry of March 2nd, it is of purchase goods on credit from Shalini Enterprises. So from purchase book we can see this. In purchase book on March 2nd there is entry of Shalini Enterprises and Khurana Brothers. So we will post this entry. Now see, total of purchase book is 23,800, and so we have to write debit side of purchases account on 31st March 17, two sundries as per purchase book and amount is 23,800. Okay, now second posting will be in the books of Shalini Enterprises account on 2nd March. By purchases account 16,000. ओके, आपण परचेस बुकवरून एंट्रीज कशा करायच्या ते बघितलेलं आहे. सिमिलरली सेकंड एंट्री is of Khurana Brothers, so we will post this entry also. डेबिट साइड ऑफ परचेसेस अकाउंट 2 सन्ड्रीज ॲज पर परचेस बुक. या सन्ड्रीजमध्ये शालिनी एंटरप्राइजेस आणि खुराना ब्रदर्स हे दोघंही आहेत. ओके, सो डेबिट साइड ऑफ परचेसेस 2 सन्ड्रीज. क्रेडिट साइड ऑफ सन्ड्रीज मीन्स ऑल पार्टीज बाय परचेसेस. सो क्रेडिट साइड ऑफ खुराना ब्रदर्स अकाउंट ऑन 11th March 17 by purchases account, and Khurana Brothers amount is 7,800. Okay, 7,800 and 16,000 total 23,800 ही अमाऊंट परचेसेस अकाउंटच्या डेबिट साईडला सन्ड्रीजमध्ये आहे. म्हणजे या सन्ड्रीजमध्ये दोन्ही पार्टीज आहेत. सेकंड पोस्टिंग रिस्पेक्टिव्ह पार्टीजच्या क्रेडिट साईडला बाय परचेसेस अकाउंट असं होणार आहे. ओके, समजतंय. आता नेक्स्ट एंट्री सेल्स बुकमध्ये एंट्रीज आहेत. साहिल अँड कंपनी अँड राज. सी हियर, I have prepared sales account, Sahil and Company's account and Raj account. So total amount is 8,800. So credit side of sales account we have to post on 31st March sundries as per sales book 8,800. Okay, so credit side of sales account. Now in sales there is cash sale also. आपण आधी फक्त परचेस बुकचं परचेस बुक, सेल्स बुक, सेल्स रिटर्न बुक, परचेस रिटर्न बुक ह्याचं पोस्टिंग करतो आहे. त्यामुळे 31st मार्चची एंट्री करताना आपल्याला शेवटी लिहावी लागेल एंट्री सेल्स अकाउंटच्या शेवटी, कारण कॅश सेलच्या एंट्रीजवरती येतील त्या 31 मार्चच्या आधीच्या असणार आहेत. सो ऑन 31st March 2017 बाय सन्ड्रीज ॲज पर सेल्स बुक total amount is 8,800. Both the parties Sahil and Company and Raj are included in sundries. Okay, now credit side of sales account by sundries means debit side of every respective party to sales account on the date of their transaction. So Sahil and Company's date is 12th March. So March 12th to sales account amount is 3,200, and debit side of Raj's account on 16th March to sales account, and amount is 5,600. Okay, now sales return book. See, sales return book only one part is there, Sahil and Company 2,000. So total of sales return book is rupees 2,000. So sales return account will be debited and parties account will be credited obviously. So sales return account, here it is sales return account. Debit side of sales return account on 31st March 17 two sundries as per sales return book, two sundries as per sales return book amount is 2,000. या सन्ड्रीजमध्ये सेल्स रिटर्न ज्यांच्याकडनं आलं आहे त्या सगळ्या पार्टीज आहेत. या प्रॉब्लेममध्ये एकच पार्टी आहे, ॲक्च्युली रिॲलिटीमध्ये जास्त असू शकतात. डेबिट साईड ऑफ सेल्स रिटर्न अकाउंट टू ऑल पार्टीज मीन्स क्रेडिट साईड ऑफ दॅट पार्टी दॅट इज साहिल अँड कंपनी. ओके, ऑन this sales return is on 18th March. So on 18th March by sales return account, and amount is 2000. Amount is 2000. Now similarly, purchase return book, total is 1000. Purchase return account is credited. It means party's account debit to purchase return account. This is purchase return account. Debit side of party's name is Khurana Brothers. So Khurana Brothers इथे आहे बघा. Purchase return पोस्टिंग करूया. डेबिट साइड ऑफ पार्टी to purchase return account means credit side of purchase return on 31st March 17 by sundries as per purchase return book 1000. आणि आता सेकंड पोस्टिंग, credit side of purchase return by sundries means parties means debit side of that party, that is Khurana Brothers, to purchase return account on 27 March 27th March on 27th March to purchase return account. Amount is rupees 1000. Okay, in this way we are done with posting of purchase book, sales return book and purchase return book. Now we'll post the entries from cash book. See here, these balances are given. Then entry of 5th March in cash column. So debit side of cash account to sales account means credit side of sales account by cash account, sales account, credit side of sales account on 5th March. You can write only 5 also. 5th March by cash account and amount is 40,000. फर्स्ट पोस्टिंग ऑलरेडी कॅशबुकमध्ये झालेलं आहे, म्हणजे कॅश अकाउंटला हे फर्स्ट पोस्टिंग झालेलं आहे. ओके, नाव आफ्टर 5th एंट्री ऑफ 8th, दिस इज कॉन्ट्रा एंट्री. सो ती कॅश आणि बँक अकाउंटमधली आहे ही एंट्री आणि ही एंट्री हे एकमेकांची कॉन्ट्रा एंट्री आहे, ती झालेली आहे. नाव दिस एंट्री बाय शालिनी एंटरप्राइजेस, amount in bank column means in bank account. So credit side of bank account by Shalini Enterprises account. So debit side of Shalini Enterprises. Shalini Enterprises. Here it is. Debit side of Shalini Enterprises on 8th March to bank account. And the amount is 15,700. Okay, आता 12th March sales, entry of sales, amount in bank column means in bank account, debit side of bank account to sales account. So credit side of sales account by bank account, credit side of sales account, okay, by bank account on 12th March. दिसतंय ना तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना? By bank account and amount is 10,000. Okay, now entry of 14th by salary, amount in bank column, so it means in bank account. So credit side of bank account by salary 4,500 means debit side of salary to bank, debit side of salary account, here it is, debit side of salary account. Okay, here we will write the date is 14th March to bank account and amount is 4500. Now 15th, in cash column, amount is in cash column, means this entry is in cash account. So credit side of cash account by repairs means debit side of repairs to cash, and date is 15th March to cash account. Amount is 7800. 7800. 15th, 18th March, amount again in cash column. It means it is in cash account. So credit side of cash account by cartage, debit side of cartage to cash. Date is 18th March to cash account. Okay, and amount is 1000. Okay, next 18th. After 18th, 20th March, to Raj account 5500 in bank column. It means in bank account. So debit side of bank account to Raj account. So credit side of Raj account. Credit side of Raj account. Credit side of Raj account on 20th March 17. Okay. By bank account 5500. ही एंट्री झाली आहे. आफ्टर 20th March 22nd, by electricity charges account in cash column. So credit side of cash electricity charges, so debit side of electricity charges. Debit side of electricity charges account to cash account. Amount is 9600. 18th, 20th, 22nd. After that 25th, this is a contra entry. सो एक पोस्टिंग कॅश अकाउंटला, एक पोस्टिंग बँक अकाउंटला झालेलं आहे. नाव अगेन ऑन 25th बाय ड्रॉइंग्स. सो अमाऊंट इज इन बँक कॉलम. क्रेडिट साइड ऑफ बैंक बाय ड्रॉइंग्स. सो डेबिट साइड ऑफ ड्रॉइंग्स टू बैंक. डेबिट साइड ऑफ ड्रॉइंग्स अकाउंट टू बैंक अकाउंट ऑन 25th March. To bank account, amount is 2000. Okay, 25th. After 25th, 26th, amount in cash column. Debit side of cash to sales means credit side of sales by cash. Credit side of sales. Credit side of sales account on 26th March. So 26th by cash account, because amount is in cash column and amount is 12,000. Amount is 12,000. 26th. Now 29th, rent in bank column. Credit of bank by rent. So debit of rent to bank. Debit column of rent. This is rent account to bank account. Amount is in bank column 2500. So on 29th to bank account 2500. Now 30th. cash column. Credit of cash by drawings means debit of drawings to cash on 30th to cash account. Amount is 1750. This entry is of balance, so it is cash balance and bank balance, so we will not record it. Now दिस इज जर्नल प्रॉपर. आता आपण जर्नल प्रॉपरपैकी एंट्रीचं पोस्टिंग करूया. ओके, सो दीज आर बॅलन्सेस, सो त्याची एंट्री करण्याची गरज नाही, ॲटोमॅटिकली ती झालेली आहे. नाव सी शालिनी एंटरप्राइजेस अकाउंट डेबिट टू डिस्काउंट रिसिव्ड अकाउंट 300. सो डेबिट साइड ऑफ शालिनी एंटरप्राइजेस अकाउंट टू डिस्काउंट रिसिव्ड अकाउंट. On 8th March to discount received account, amount is 300. Okay, now next entry, computer account debit to Mahesh computers account. Debit side of computer to Mahesh computers. To Mahesh computers account. Amount is 35,000 and date is 10th March. Second posting, debit side of computer to Mahesh computers means credit side of Mahesh computers. Here it is, credit side of Mahesh computers on 10th March. By computer account, and amount is 35,000. शालिनी एंटरप्राइजेसची ही जी डिस्काउंट रिसिव्हची एंट्री आहे त्याचं सेकंड पोस्टिंग राहिलं आपलं. डेबिट साइड ऑफ शालिनी एंटरप्राइजेस टू डिस्काउंट रिसिव्ड मीन्स क्रेडिट साइड ऑफ डिस्काउंट रिसिव्ड हियर ऑन 8th March. बाय शालिनी असं राहू शकतं. नेक्स्ट एंट्री मी सुरू केली होती त्यामुळे मी ती कंप्लीट केली. आधी 2 पोस्टिंग्स केली आपण त्याची. कॉम्प्युटरच्या डेबिट साईडला सी हियर, डेबिट साइड ऑफ कॉम्प्युटर्स टू महेश कॉम्प्युटर्स आणि क्रेडिट साइड ऑफ महेश कॉम्प्युटर्स बाय कॉम्प्युटर अकाउंट 35,000. इथे माझे वेगवेगळे पेजेस आहेत त्यामुळे डिस्टर्बन्स येतो आहे, पण तुमच्या वहीमध्ये ओळीने अकाउंट असणार आहेत त्यामुळे डिस्टर्बन्स येणार नाही. नेक्स्ट एंट्री इज डेप्रिसिएशन अकाउंट डेबिट टू कॉम्प्युटर अकाउंट. सो डेबिट साइड ऑफ डेप्रिसिएशन अकाउंट ऑन 31st March टू कॉम्प्युटर अकाउंट. You can say office equipment also. Debit side of depreciation to computer, so credit side of computer account, here it is, by depreciation account 1750. Okay, now see here, amount receivable from Raj was 5,600 and here on 20th March we have received 5,500 rupees from Raj. So there is 100 rupees discount allowed to Raj. So we have to pass the entry in journal proper for discount allowed. डिस्काउंट अलाउडची एंट्री करायची राहिली आपली. ती डिस्काउंट अलाउडची आपण एंट्री करू शकतो किंवा डिरेक्टली आपण डिस्काउंट अलाउड अकाउंटला पोस्टिंग पण करू शकतो. ओके, सो एंट्री विल बी ऑन 20th March. डिस्काउंट अलाउड अकाउंट डेबिट. ही एंट्री न करता आपण पोस्टिंग केलं तरी चालतं. तसंच दाखवायचं माझ्या मनात होतं, पण बेटर अंडरस्टँडिंगसाठी वी विल पास द जर्नल एंट्री. डिस्काउंट अलाउड अकाउंट डेबिट टू राज अकाउंट 100. Okay, narration will be discount allowed to him. Okay, now posting करूया. डेबिट साइड ऑफ डिस्काउंट अलाउड टू राज अकाउंट. सो debit side of discount allowed account on 20th March to Raj's account amount is 100, and credit side of Raj's account by discount allowed account 100 on 20th March. Okay, now let's tally. First capital account, credit side 18,000, so balance will be 18,000 on, because debit side total is 0, credit side total is 18,000, so balance will be 18,000 on 31st March 17. 2 balance carried down, and it will be brought down on opposite side on 1st April 17 by balance brought down 18,000. Okay, now purchases account 23,800. लेजर अकाउंट्स टॅली कसं करायचं तुम्हाला शिकवलेलं आहे. सो ऑन 31st March 17 बाय बॅलन्स कॅरीड डाऊन 23,800, and so on 1st April 17 opposite side below the total 2 balance brought down 23,800. म्हणजे इथून पुढे एप्रिल महिन्याच्या एंट्रीज चालू होतील असा तो कन्सेप्ट आहे. ओके, आता शालिनी एंटरप्राइजेस अकाउंट डेबिट टोटल इज 16,000, क्रेडिट टोटल इज 16,000, सो नो balance. Now Khurana brothers account, purchases is of rupees 7,800 and return is of 1,000, so there will be balance 7,800 minus 1,000 means 6,800 on 31st March 17. 2 balance carried down 6,800 opposite side below the total on 1st April 17 by balance brought down 6,800. Okay, now next account, that is sales account. Sales account is here. It is 70,800. So balance will be 70,800 on 31st March 17. 2 balance carried down 70,800. Okay, and below the total opposite side on 1st April, याच्या खाली माझ्याकडे जागा नाही आहे, 1st April 17 by balance brought down 70,800. Okay, now Sahil and Company's account, debit total is 3,200, credit total is 2,000, so 3,200 minus 2,000, so it will be 1,200 on 31st March by balance carried down, and opposite side on 1st April 2 balance brought down 1200. Okay, now Raj account 5600 and this total is 5600. So account tally 5600, 5600. Now purchase return account. Purchase return account credit total is 1000. 1000. Here the balance will be 1000 on 31st March 17. To balance carried down, and below the total on 1st April 17 by balance brought down 1000. आता इथे आपण ब्रॉट डाउन बॅलन्स लिहायला जागाच नाही आहे. डेबिट टोटल इज 2000. सो बॅलन्स विल बी हिअर ऑन 31st March 17 by balance carried down, and here to balance brought down 2000. Okay, now salary account. Debit total is 4500. 4500. So balance will be 4500 on 31st March 17 by balance carried down, and opposite side on 1st April 17, that is first day of next month, to balance brought down 4500. Repairs 7800. 7800. Balance will be 7800 on 31st March 17 by balance carried down, and opposite side below the total on 1st April 17 to balance brought down 7800. Similar position in cartage account. Total is 1000, balance is 1000 on 31st March. मी हे फास्ट घेते आहे कारण हे आपण शिकलेलो आहोत अकाउंट्स टॅली कसे करायचे ते. बाय बॅलन्स कॅरीड डाऊन टू बॅलन्स ब्रॉट डाऊन 1000. $9,600. Balance will be 9,600 on 31st March 17 by balance carried down on 1st April 17 to balance brought down 9,600. $3750. Balance will be 3,750. That is total drawings. By balance carried down. Okay, and opposite side on 1st April 17 to balance brought down 3750. Now rent account. On 31st March 17 by balance carried down on 1st April below the total to balance brought down 2500. Now computer account. Debit total is 35,000. From 35,000 we have to deduct 1,750. So balance will be 33,250. By balance carried down. Now Mahesh Computers account. And opposite side below the total on 1st April 17, that is first day of next month, by balance brought down 35,000. Depreciation account 1750. ॲक्च्युली 1st एप्रिल 17ला बॅलन्स देण्याची गरजच नाही आहे. जे एक्सपेन्सेस आहेत ते 31 मार्चला वर्ष संपलं असं जर आपण गृहीत धरलं, वर्ष संपत नसेल तर टू बॅलन्स ब्रॉट डाऊन येईल, पण वर्ष संपलं असं जर गृहीत धरलं तर हा बॅलन्स ट्रायल बॅलन्समध्ये जाईल आणि नंतर तिथून तो प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंटला जाईल मी सांगितल्याप्रमाणे. पण आपण इथे लिहून ठेवतो आहे प्रत्येक ठिकाणी टू बॅलन्स ब्रॉट डाऊन हाच इयर एंड आहे असं जर समजलं नाही, वेगळा इयर एंड पण असू शकतो, तर एप्रिलच्या फर्स्टला पुन्हा तो बॅलन्स ब्रॉट डाऊन होईल असं त्याचं मीनिंग आहे. ओके, $300 and 1st April बाय. त्यामुळे यातले जे डायरेक्ट एक्सपेन्सेस आणि इनडायरेक्ट एक्सपेन्सेस आहेत त्यांचे अकाउंट टॅली करून जर आपण इयर एंडिंग 31 मार्च पकडला तर त्यांचा बॅलन्स ब्रॉट डाऊन न होता तो नंतर ट्रेडिंग अँड प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंटला जातो फायनल अकाउंट्स करताना. पण आपण इयर एंड जर समजा 31 डिसेंबर पकडला तर एप्रिलमध्ये बॅलन्स पुन्हा ब्रॉट डाऊन होतो, हे लक्षात ठेवायचं. ओके, सो इन दिस वे वी हॅव कम्प्लिटेड टॅलिंग ऑल द लेजर अकाउंट्स अँड नाव वी विल प्रिपेअर फ्रॉम these ledger accounts we will prepare trial balance. Okay, these are 3 pages of ledger accounts. So from all these ledger accounts I have prepared this trial balance. See the trial balance. This is capital account. Capital account is having credit balance of rupees 18,000. So capital 18,000 is here. Purchases account is having debit balance of rupees 23,800. So purchases account. These are cash and bank balances as per our cash book. Cash balance positive है, it is debit balance, and bank balance is bank overdraft. अशा पद्धतीने शालिनी एंटरप्राइजेस अकाउंट बघा टॅली झालेला आहे, त्यामुळे शालिनी एंटरप्राइजेस अकाउंट या ठिकाणी ट्रायल बॅलन्समध्ये आलेला नाही आहे. ज्यांचे डेबिट बॅलन्सेस आलेले आहेत त्यांचे हेडिंग्स डेबिट साईडला आणि अमाऊंट्स डेबिट साईडला, ज्या अकाउंटचे क्रेडिट बॅलन्सेस आलेले आहेत त्यांचे अकाउंट्स क्रेडिट साईडला लिहिलेले आहेत आणि टोटल केलेली आहे. दोन्ही साईडची ट्रायल बॅलन्सची टोटल सेम यायला पाहिजे. देन अवर ट्रायल बॅलन्स अँड लेजर पोस्टिंग इज करेक्ट. ओके, इन दिस वे वी हॅव टू प्रिपेअर ट्रायल बॅलन्स. You on your own prepare this trial balance from these ledger accounts so that you can understand the meaning. See here, salary account is having debit balance of rupees 4,500. So in debit side there is salary rupees 4,500. In this way I have prepared this trial balance from these ledger accounts. In this way every businessman prepares cash book, purchase return book, sales return book, sales book and journal proper. From those subsidiary books he prepares various ledger accounts, and after posting the entries into ledger accounts he tallies every ledger account, and from that he will prepare the trial balance, and from this trial balance finally he will prepare his final accounts, that is trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet at the end of the year. Okay, from that we can know whether he has net profit or net loss after 1 इयर, म्हणजे त्याला प्रॉफिट झाला आहे का लॉस झाला आहे हे फायनल अकाउंट्स तयार केल्यावर बिझनेसमॅनला कळतं. ओके, दिस इज द प्रोसेस. सो सॉल्व दिस whole problem in your notebook and prepare trial balance on your own. Okay, that's all.